In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening device's settings. Following that, scroll down to click on accessibility and convenience. Then scroll again to click on simple mode. Over here, and when you're ready, hit enter simple mode to activate it. As you can see, easy mode is on. To go back to the standard one, go into devices settings, and if you still see standard settings, go into background apps and close them. Then click settings again and you should see this version. Now scroll all the way down, hit exit simple mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!